here. Let's talk about this.
I didn't know my caterpillars turned to big old butterflies.
They ain't butterflies yet. What are they doing? They trying to crystallize, right?
But now they're
They're already starting to hang from the top of the cup.
And I see another one. He's hanging. He's trying to. This one.
It says in 3 weeks, so hopefully in the next week they'll be crystallized, right? All right. Okay.
Dirt right here. This is dirt. It's a lot, so we can't put a lot. If you put a lot, it's not gonna work. So we just going to put a little bit, like this much.
Okay.
This much
Let's
right
see
here.
the Venus flytrap. Let's see.
So I want to mess with them, cause if I mess with the trigger head and there's nothing in their mouth and they snap and reopen, they'll die.
All the butterflies have hatched.
And I'm gonna say.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Klar, for those who are new, and for those who have been around. I really since day one appreciate you guys' patience. You notice I've been kind of MIA for the past 2 or 3 weeks, which is time needed, but let me close this door. But I've still been putting in work behind the scenes, so I am still excited to share that stuff I've been doing behind the scene work I've been doing behind the scene with you guys. But yeah, I am here. I am back. I'm super excited. The summer is approaching really fast, and I am just ready to see how that transition will look like since I've been homeschooling. But the update I wanted to share with you guys is it's almost been 2 months, guys. Can you believe it? 2 months. I withdrew my son February 24th. It is April 19th, 2025, and everything's been going good. Like, we starting to find our flow of things. It's not like a tight schedule or anything like that, but we're really starting to find our flow, and we love it. He loves it. I love it for him. And we have been working at our own pace, and it's been super, super amazing. And I've been able to really see what his strengths are, what his weaknesses are, and what he needs more improvement in, and things like that. And I just really, really love that I can work with him on those things, you know. And it's just been great. He's been getting naps in again since he's been home. Kind of forgot how important it is for him to get rest when needed as well. Being that he have tics disorders, because when he is extremely tired, he tend to have really bad tic attacks. But naps, being able to incorporate naps during the day has been a game changer. So that's been really good. But yeah, it's been great, guys. We've been enjoying it, and we're looking forward to the summer. He's been doing so much. He still go to his karate classes 2 days a week. We're looking at putting him in other things during the summer, maybe basketball. Yeah, all kinds of good stuff. And the reason why I'm in the car now is because we actually just left the karate school. They did an Easter egg hunt for the kids, so that was super cool and exciting to do. So yeah, it's just been amazing, guys. My baby birthday is coming up on next month, May 14th. We're gonna do a little party for him that weekend. So yeah, y'all get to see a little bit of that. It's just been a lot going on, but a lot of good stuff going on. And I just want to come on here and let y'all know that. So yes, I am back. I've been working. Y'all will get to see that. And things just been going really, really great so far. So all this goodness and positivity, energy, I just hope it keeps going, because it's just been amazing. And again, I really appreciate those who've been holding it down since day one, sticking around with me. And yeah, it's been amazing, and I can't wait to continue to share my journey with you guys. And for all my new supporters, I can't wait for you guys to see the journey as well. It's just been, I really have nothing bad to say or anything since homeschooling. Like, I really love it. Like, it's been fun to me, honestly. But yeah, everything's been great. And make sure you guys follow me on all my other platforms, my Instagram pages. I have a homeschool page and a personal page. The link is in the description box below, so you guys will know that I've been really active on there. But I'm back on YouTube, and yeah, I'm ready to get back into, you know, pushing my content out. So yeah, guys, we excited. That's the update. I will be sharing more information with you guys soon. Again, my post dates are Sundays and Wednesdays. So until then, guys, keep posted, stay tuned, and until next week, bye. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.